Hey Trent, I know you're used to throwing things that's hot, but I don't think you can catch these wings. I'm Rashad Jennings, former running back with the New York Giants. A couple career highlights: I set a personal record rushing for 175 yards and also playing in the playoffs. Most people don't understand that's not given. Since I retired from football, I haven't stopped being busy. Winning Dancing with the Stars may give me a little edge in this competition because I'm able to get into the details. One of the things that I'm very passionate about is my children's series book, The Corn Slot Chronicles, starring R.K. Livingston. Cooking, I like spices, I love flavors. For this competition, I'm making my famous Korean chicken wings. First, I make the dry rub. I'll put the chicken wings into the bag. Pick this up real nice. Then I place all the chicken wings onto a pan, put it in the oven, put it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that that's in, we're gonna make the glaze. And the first thing up is the low sodium soy sauce, water. Next up we have gochujang, honey, brown sugar, sesame seed oil. And last we have the cornstarch. So as the glaze is about done, I can go ahead and pull out the chicken, put them in a bowl, and pour this glaze on top. Good as the last time. Hey, you smell that? It smells like a victory.
Rashad, please welcome former running back for the New York Giants. Oh my God, talk about a renaissance man. Rashad Jennings is with us now, and those are legit recipes for the glaze and the rub. Wow. How long have you been making these wings, man?
These wings are everything. I love Korean style chicken wings. When I was in Jacksonville, Florida, and Trent, you can attest to this. Being a rookie, you always have to go get all the veterans meals for the plane, and they used to always make me go get some Korean chicken wings. So I remember how good they were.
And did you piece the recipe together yourself, or you just tried a bunch of different ideas until you came up with one that was a winner? I mean, they look really legit.
Yeah, oh no, they're legit. We tried a couple different times, a couple different ways, and we had to get it right. And I found that this is probably the best recipe for spice and savory like I like.
Your judge today is a great friend of mine. Everybody knows him from Food Network. He's a cookbook author. He's a podcaster. He's co-host of Food Network's The Kitchen. He's an NFL super fan. And here's Jeff Morrow. Here is your judge today, guys. Jeff!
Right.
What? Hey, what's up, Jeff?
What's up, guys? Hi, Trent.
What's
Hi,
up, Jeff?
Rashad.
Woo!
What's happening, man?
All of the recipe ingredients Jeff has, and you recreated their recipes to their directions, correct?
Correct, yes. Kudos to you
so
guys for writing really good, concise recipes, too. So thank you for that.
I just want to remind everybody of a few things. You have a very beautiful ring for the winner, okay? Just that you can walk around and say that you won the 14th annual Super Bowl recipe playoff. So, Jeff, who's it going to be? Who gets the ring and the bragging rights this year?
First of all, job well done, both of you. I ate everything. Everything was great. It was a hit with my family. We ate wings, and it was good. Sodium levels through the roof. Loved it. Great job. Zero complaints on our end or my family's end. So thank you guys for feeding us for the night. The winner is the 14th annual Super Bowl cook-off, Rachael. Is that what we're calling? I think so.
Yes.
The winner is Rashad.
Rashad! Woo!